Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a peacock design in Kalamkari Art Style. So let's start. Before starting, we need following material. This is the soap water. Every time I'll immerse the brush in this and wash it. We have light blue color, red color, white color, black color, blue and sea green. We need a pencil, eraser, 000 brushes. This is 1 number brush, round brush, sharpener, scale, a bird if color spills then we can clear with this, a towel. We need one big brush to do the background. Any number you can take. This is 5 or 6 number. Then another brush to do the fine outline. This is 4 number flat brush. So we'll start now. First thing, we will draw the outline. How to draw the outlines for any painting. We have to leave some place for framing. So what we do, we always leave at least 1 centimeter on all the 4 sides so that this part of the paper will go into framing. Now, we are leaving 2 centimeter on all the sides for border design. Now, we have learned lots and lots of border design. We can use any one of them, whichever we like. It's our wish. What I'll suggest you draw everything on rough paper first and then transfer it using the yellow carbon or any other light color carbon, okay, on the actual sheet. So this is our basic preparation. Now we are going to draw a peacock design which is roughly 15 centimeter long. So I will mark from here 16 centimeter, 15 for design and 1 centimeter here. That means my design should come in this way. This was our 16. So at 2 from the bottom, we have left space for feet. Now peacock design can be anything of your choice. There's no rule that you have to draw this peacock only. We'll do the detailing in the actual painting, because if we draw this much and then we use the carbon and trace it on our main sheet or on the canvas or like I'm doing on the board, that will be good enough. If you have space there, then divide your space into equal parts. It's 14, so I'm drawing 2, 2. Okay, and I'm going to draw . Our basic drawing is ready. Okay, we'll make same border on all the 4 sides. We'll draw small pattern in the corner. I'm going to draw this. Now the remaining place, what is left, if you want, you give one color background, or if you want, you can show the flowers, etc. Okay, that's purely up to you how you do. Now I'm going to teach you how to paint this. Before I paint this, I will see the consistency of my color. So I want to give here light blue color, teal blue actually. So corners will be dark blue. So if you want, you you can give any color in the flowers, and here if you want you keep it black and white only. Okay, it's purely your choice. So let's come to the peacock now. First step is to make outline. If we want, we can take red color and we can give some touch of red here and there, little bit. We will not fill it fully with red. Our painting is complete. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.